What's up, guys? This is your boy Tyree. In today's video, I'm gonna be cashing out live in front of you. I'm gonna be doing a video showing you what I'm doing and how I'm gonna cash out this survey money. It's a survey on the go. I made well over $300 with this app. It's absolutely free app, and this month I did pretty good. I did over $60 plus. It was like around $62, which is cool. So I'm gonna be doing cashing it out and showing you guys it's possible you can make money in these hard pandemic times. You know, like so much layoffs, millions of people is unemployed right now and we can't find any work. So as long as we have the use of our smartphones or our laptop with a solid internet connection, you can make money and it's possible, okay? And all you have to do is just download the app, take the time to do the surveys, and they just want your opinion, and they compensate you for it as well, which is cool. So I'm gonna show you on my cashing out and give you a full tutorial of how I'm going to cash it out, and I'm going to show you also is going to my PayPal account. That same amount of money is going right to my PayPal account, so you guys see live proof that it is real. All right, so guys, stay tuned. What's up, people? How you guys are doing? Tyree again. So as you guys are seeing on this video, you're not seeing my face, so I'm just showing you on my phone that I'm cashing out live in front of you. So this app is called Surveyonthego, okay? So as you guys can see, I made $62.65 for this month of March, which is cool. So these are all the surveys I've done. These are all the surveys I've completed. I didn't pass every survey, but also get a track cash weekly incentives as well. Unfortunately, they're not taking any new participants in that program, but every couple of months they do recruit for that. So they pay you $1.25 every single week. So that comes out to $5 extra a month, passive income. Okay, so I did a $15 survey on the 7th of March this month. Okay, that was cool. I had to go in and do an in-store demo. Not in-store demo, but more like going to the T-Mobile store, giving my feedback on this new phones, like the new Samsung Galaxy S20. So I had to give full feedback and I had to do a video. So for that time, it took me about at least 10-15 minutes to do. Put everything together, gather my thoughts on what I thought about it and stuff, and everything was history. So that was cool. So that was $15. So let me show you my history payments of this app. So I started out back in May of 2019, May 22nd. Then I was like, hey, let me give this a shot. Oh, wow. And I was earning very consistently, as you guys can see, on the 1st of July, $31.55, $50 on September 1st, $55.30, $17.60. My good month, my best month, that was on the 15th of December 2019 of last year. I earned $80.70 in that single month. And on the 28th, I earned $36.85. And then on the March 2nd, I was supposed to cash out a little early on the February, but I ended up didn't cashing out early, but I ended up cashing out a little late. So on the 2nd of March, I earned $37.80, which is cool. So you guys about to see this live. All right, so from my device, so let me see. So this is $62.65 about to cash out right now, redeem. So you guys see that I can select Amazon gift card, Visa, Starbucks. Starbucks pay on Visa pays a little bit more, and Amazon. But for video purposes, that I'm doing this video for you guys, is I'm going to be cashing out through PayPal. Okay, let me turn off these notifications. Oh my God, this notifications is annoying at times, but what the heck? It's all good. So, I'm gonna cash it out through PayPal. Okay. So, important note, guys, when you sign up, when you're about to cash out, you have to have a minimum of $10. Okay, before you can cash out. If you have anything below $10, you cannot cash out. Okay. So they want to make sure before you redeem this, they want to make sure that the email address is important. Please read. Your PayPal payments will be sent to the email address tyrebrown825@gmail.com. If this is not valid email, please contact support. So you want to contact support, make sure everything is good. I'm going to confirm it. All right. Confirm and process the payment. So you guys see, redeem at $10. Like I said, before I even cash out. So right now it's under the pending status. Okay. So it's pending right now. Oh, wow. You see how quick that is? Paid? This is one of the fastest paid. So, all right. So we want to make sure that we receive the payment. Okay. Look at this, guys. Woo! Look at that. You received $62. You received $62. I'm going to show you right now. You received $62.65. You see how quick that was, guys? Okay. Shipping fees, no tax fees, no other sorts of fees. Fees $0. $62.65 right to my PayPal account. And I received, you guys see it live. Right on the feed. As soon as I cashed out, boom, I got the notification as well. But if you guys don't believe me, let's go into my email address so you guys will see. So it goes to my email address. So let's go to my email. All right, so let's go. All right, look. Email address. Hello, Tyree Brown. M4 Mobile Research is sending you $62.65. Okay. Also saying congratulations. You've been paid. Check your inbox for your PayPal confirmation. Simple. 1, 2, 3. So you guys see that I cashed out. All right, so I'm going to turn the video back as well to myself. Well, you guys saw it. I showed you guys the proof that it's possible that you can make money just using your smartphone. That's about it, man. So I'm going to be doing some more proof videos as well. I have another video coming like shortly. Right, I'll probably push it out tomorrow. Another payment proof video. Powerful. I just signed up with this survey company not even 2 weeks ago. Just a little under 2 weeks. And made very, very good money and got paid within what was said on their website. Blew my mind, and I received the payment. So I'm gonna be pushing. Just look out for that video, guys. If you like that video, give that video a thumbs up if you like this video. And most importantly, don't forget to hit this like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right. Thank you, guys, and God bless, and peace out.